Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 30-34 Pleasant Street, Unit 34 in Fitchburg, Massachusetts. This is an apartment, a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, cottage-style apartment, and it's a 2-story. So I'm going to be going around and just showing you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place I can from the video, as well as just highlighting a lot of the things that this place has to offer. So I was saying that it's a cottage style apartment. There's on the property three units. So next door to this is like a 2-story, where there's 2 units in that one. And then this is still attached to that, but only by like a corner section of one wall. So it's technically the same property, but it's almost like a single family house. You could kind of think of it like a single family house in terms of you're not really sharing walls for the most part with neighbors, and it's kind of got its own thing. Big living room, big private kitchen, and then you've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. It's also got the hookups for the in-unit washer and dryer here. So all that stuff is really nice to see. That was the living room that we just came through. It's got very nice vinyl floors, some built-in shelves there. And it's a fully renovated unit, so you're seeing new finishes everywhere, new window blinds, new paint, new floor. Or if it's not a new floor, then it's just a update of the old floor, like a deep clean. And you know, all the other fixtures that have been put in here. It's forced air heat, so you got the vents, forced air heat, and lots of windows, plenty of lights coming in. This is an especially big living room, you know, easily big enough for a big sectional couch and entertainment system. Coming through here, this is the kitchen area, so you could put dining room table on this side with all this available space, and then also have the kitchen section over here. So that's really cool. You've got the stove. It's an electric stove, a glass top, and a microwave right there. Plus it's got the stainless steel fridge, so got a nice set of stainless steel appliances as well as the sink as well, and it's got the cabinets there. And just going around here, you've got the blinds, again, all in really nice condition. And there's plenty of space in this room to walk around if you don't put the dining room. There's also a little section of the room here. It's just for some extra space. And these doors over here, I'll show this one in a minute. This is the first bedroom. So you got 1 bedroom on the first floor. Then you got this basement. So that's an unfinished basement, and we can come back around to that. But I want to finish up with this top level here. It's also a nice kind of granite style countertop. And then this is the laundry room with the hookups. And then this door goes out to the back, like the back common area. And coming in here, this is a fully renovated bathroom. So, like everything in here that you're seeing is brand new. Nice ceiling fan, nice vanity light with the mirror here. And it's got the toilet and a newly reglazed tub and shower. So it's essentially like nobody's used it with this finish that's on it. And it's a really nice size for a bathroom. It's a nice little walk around size. And the fan, you can definitely tell that that's going with the ventilation. Then coming back through here, take a look at the basement. Just for the people that can't make it and they want to see what the basement is, it's definitely unfinished. You can see it's like with the cobblestone foundation, and just access for maintenance when they come, if they ever have to do a fix on the heating system or anything else that you have going down there. So that's the basement. And this is this extra room. You kind of see a little bit of the backyard over here. Oh, okay. This is the first bedroom. So first bedroom, it's a little bit thin, but it's still definitely big enough to have, you know, queen size bed, plus the desk / dresser setup. You could arrange a desk, over this like cutout here where the seat is on this side. There's a lot of things that you can do with this room. You got a closet here, all fresh paint, going throughout the whole place. 2 big windows in here as well. And it's got the vents for the forced air heating, and it's cable ready. It at least has the auxiliary port for the cable. If there's any issues with the cable, kind of let us know. And then coming over here, this is the stairs that go up. So on this level, there's like another, let's say, extension of a living room. So you come up these stairs, and then you're over here, and it's kind of cozy. Where my head is at, where the camera is, it's like touching the ceiling right there. So you have this like walk around space, and you could easily put, like another mini living room kind of area. And then through there, if you continue on, this goes to the second bedroom. Yeah, so that's the second bedroom. Comes through this door, really nice, kind of cute cutouts over there and over here with the closet. And so that's what that wall looks like. And then this is the bedroom from this angle. So you can see kind of the whole bedroom from here. And this window is really nice for the way that it lets in the light. You kind of see that shadow over there. And as well, you've got the this closet. So closet that comes with this bedroom, just like closet that has for the downstairs bedroom. We've also got the light switch for the light right there. And this is another bedroom, definitely big enough for like queen size bed and another desk, dresser. And if you have any questions about this or any of our other listings, please go to nexuswor.com. You can go to our for rent page or our vacancies page. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.